Hey baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Diamond Lynn, aka Diamond the Don. And if you don't know, now you know. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not, welcome back, baby dolls. Let's get into it because I'm here and I've arrived today, okay? Let me tell y'all, love me, love me, love me, love me. Love Me Hair sent me this super bomb wig, y'all. Like, y'all think I'm playing with y'all? I'm being so serious right now. When I say this wig is bomb, this wig is bomb. I don't believe it's HD lace. I do believe it's transparent lace. For some transparent lace, this lace is so bomb. My wig is so laid. Okay, and you see it. It's super laid, okay, guys? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hey baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. Love Me Hair sent me this bomb wig. Y'all are gonna get tired of me saying bomb, but y'all, their hair is unbelievable. So they sent me over the wig with a wig cap, a band to tie my edges, an elastic band, a Love Me hair clip, and an edge brush. Okay, and let's not forget the wig. Now let's get into the wig. Do you guys see this color? This color is perfect for the fall, as you guys can see by the title. This is why we did this color. Y'all, this ginger is so pretty. I've always been scared to try ginger, but this is how the color came. The knots are perfect. Like, I didn't even bleach the knots. All I did was pluck the hairline. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the install because I'm excited for y'all to see how this hair turned out. So starting off with my ball cap, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. If you guys aren't new to my channel, I have a video up so you guys can get a detailed explanation on how I do my ball cap. So yeah, we're just gonna go in and apply some makeup, and then we're gonna get into installing the wig. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna go in and clean off some of my perimeter. I do apologize that some of this video is out of focus. I did not realize it until editing, but yeah, y'all can still see the slay. So we're just gonna go in and cut off the back tab. You don't want that to rub across your skin because it will irritate your skin very badly. So make sure you guys cut that back piece of lace off, and then we're just gonna apply some makeup, the same color foundation I put on my scalp. Well, not my scalp, my ball cap. We're gonna apply that to the lace. Now, I did mess up because I should have just put it in a darker foundation. My lace does not blend all the way in this video with my makeup, but when the makeup is off, y'all, it's unmatched. I should have went darker because of my contour, but it's okay. Y'all know I can melt a wig, and yeah. But yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so I'm just applying this lace to my head. Okay, they did put an elastic band, and the elastic band fits perfectly. So if you guys wanted to do a glueless wig install, you sure can. Like, Love Me is always on it. This is me admiring this wig, y'all. I love this wig so much. Like, I've gotten so many compliments on this wig. Like, y'all should pick this up. I know it's supposed to be a voiceover, but like, I gotta tell y'all, for real, look at it. Like, I love this company. Y'all don't understand. Y'all do not understand. Okay, so this is just me trying to figure out if I'm gonna do a middle part or a side part, and I decided I was gonna do a side part, so I just start hot combing my hairs into place. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and cut some of our lace off before we apply our glue. I'm cutting just around the perimeter. I did leave on a little bit too much lace for the look I was trying to do. So make sure you guys cut off a little bit of extra lace. Don't leave too much lace on there, especially if you're dealing with transparent lace. If you had HD lace, okay, you can blend that out a little bit. But I left a little bit too much lace on there, but it's perfectly fine because it still came out cute. And yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and apply our 3 layers of glue. Y'all know the routine. 3 layers of Goes Bond glue. Let it dry, let it get tacky. Go on with your next layer and keep applying until you feel like you have enough glue. So this is me going in with my second layer and then fanning it again, and then I'm going to go in with one more layer and go ahead and apply that lace to my skin. So now I'm applying the lace to my skin. I'm taking it in sections and pushing it down, left side, middle, or right. You guys can do whatever you guys like, whatever works for you, but this is just how I apply my lace. I do one side, then the middle, and then the right side. And then I go in with my Got To Be glue spray just to tack that down. That's how I achieve my extra melt. I have a detailed install video uploaded so you guys can check that out as well. But yeah, so I'm just tapping that lace into my skin. Yeah, I cannot get over this color. Like, this color looks so bomb on me, and I know it will look bomb on you. Girl, get it now. I also have a discount code that you guys can use to get some money off of your wig. You guys, make sure you guys get this colored wig. It comes pre-colored. Like, I did not have to do anything. I did not bleach my knots. All I did was pluck it. So I'm just tacking down those parts that did not stick all the way with my glue. Now this is me taking my Got To Be glue spray and just tapping that in to the frontal. Then I'm gonna go in with my elastic band and tie that down. While that lace is getting tied down, we're just gonna go in with our hot comb to really define our part and lay our hair how we want it to be laid. So like I said, I am doing a side part. So after I finish laying it, I'm just gonna take a little bit of some concealer and a flat brush, and I'm going to clean up my part. Okay, so boom, you girls see her. It could be laid a little bit better, like I told y'all in the beginning, but it's okay because she still look good. We're doing sideburns, no baby hairs on this wig. I don't know what made me not want to do any baby hairs, but y'all, I love the outcome of this look, especially with colored hair. I didn't want to do too much with it, you get what I'm saying? So only did sideburns on the left side and right side, no baby hairs nowhere else. That's it, that's all. And yeah, so now I'm just going in with this wand curler that I got from Walmart years ago. I haven't even used it in such a long time, but it made my curls come out perfect, you guys. Like, Super easy, super simple curls, and they just came out so perfect. I'm wrapping the hair around the barrel flat because I want my curls to look a certain kind of way. Like, I didn't want them to look like waves. So when you wrap your hair around the barrel flat, it will come out as a curl and not as a wave, if that makes any sense. After we finish curling, we're just going to finger comb the curls out. And yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. I loved giving y'all this look. Like, look at me. Like, girl, get this wig. Discount code in the description box. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Just keep high on this, all I want is I